Welcome back to another episode of Kultura Cooking. For today's video, I will be making a simple, easy, and mouth-watering chicken wraps. We start on cutting some onions, garlic, and chicken breast. We will be also needing some ingredients such as bell pepper, soy sauce, salt, ground pepper, tortilla, we also need some salads of your choice. You can add some cucumber and tomato or whatever you want. We also needed some oil. And mushrooms. So let's start on sauteing our garlic and onion. So once the onion becomes translucent, we can add on the breast chicken. Season with salt and pepper. Then add the soy sauce. Give a nice mix until it becomes well incorporated. Then cover. Now, we can cut our cucumber to add more on our salads. And at the same time, the tomato. Keep an eye on your chicken. Now it's watering. So it's just normal that chicken will water itself. Give a nice mix. Then add your mushroom and bell pepper. Put the lid on, and now it's time to make potato or chips. While cooking our chips, make sure you keep your eye on your chicken. Now the chicken is done. Set aside. Let it cool. You can start on by adding or spreading some mayonnaise into your tortilla. Layer the chicken and the salad. And nicely wrap it. You can either cut it into half or have it that way. Make a little bit of presentation. And enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share my video for the next Cultura cooking episode. Thank you.